Hello, I'm Munmun from Yan Public School, Repada. This video is for you children. Hope you all are good at home. Today we are going to learn subject Science of Class 4. Open it. Chapter 1. The food we eat. So as we already learned components of food in the previous video, let's review. We have learned about nutrients. We have learned about the nutrients. The major nutrients found in the food, they are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, vitamins and minerals. We have also learned what is energy giving food. What are the energy giving food? These are the energy giving food. And body building food. Proteins are the body building food. And vitamins and minerals are the protective food. So already we have learned these all things. And how much is water is essential for our body? This also already we have learned. So till here we have learned. Today we are going to read about balanced diet. So today's topic is balanced diet. So what do you mean by balanced diet? First we will learn what is meant by balanced diet and what is actually mean by diet. So let's learn today. Take out page number 4. Look at your book and follow me. I am reading the remaining lesson for you. Let's start. Balanced diet. The food that we eat on a regular basis forms our diet. So regularly we are eating daily. That food is called a diet. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients in the balanced amount. So these nutrients, what are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins. These if you take in balanced amount together with roughage and water, we need, that is called a balanced diet. So we need to eat a balanced diet for proper growth and development of our body. So why we need a balanced diet? We need a balanced diet for the growth of our body. Eating too much food or too little of any nutrients is not good for us, as it can cause diseases. So eating too much, if you think if I eat more I will be grow faster. No, eating too much, it's very harmful and it may cause diseases also. So see the here chart, balanced diet chart. These are the fats, these are the proteins, these are the carbohydrate things, and these are the vitamins and minerals. I think we are all taking this as daily diet. Yes or no? Now turn the page. Ways to avoid wastage of food. So ways to avoid means daily we are wasting many foods. Yes or no? But you should not waste any food. So for that, what are the precautions we have to take? We already know that food is important for the survival of all living beings. But around the world, many people die each year because of lack of food. So we are getting food and we are surviving and we are wasting food. But in our world, many people die every year because of lack of food, because they not get food for eat. So thus we should stop wasting food so that it is available for everyone. So for that purpose we should not waste any food. Here are some ways to reduce wastage of food. So how we can reduce the wastage? Let's see the point. Take small serving of food in your plate which you think you can eat. Ask for more if you still feel hungry. So when you are eating and when your mother or anyone is serving food, if you want to eat more, you can ask afterwards. Okay? Otherwise, you have to take whatever you need. Store food items that can get spoiled at room temperature. So, food items should be always stored in the room temperature or else in the refrigerator, means fridge. Turn. Make a list of food items you need before you go for shopping. Make sure you do not buy too much food which gets wasted. So when you are going to shopping, you can buy only whatever you want and do not waste it. If there is any function in your home, give the leftover food to the orphanage, house, help or needy family. So in your home, any function is going there. If the food is left over, you have to give it to orphanage or needy families. Avoid cooking food in large quantity to reduce. So don't cook too much food. Whatever you need, that much you have to cook. Most food items have the dates written on the container or packets before when they should be used. Use them before the mentioned date. So you don't have to throw them. So before date only you have to use. Otherwise, the manufacture date, if fails, it gets wasted. So you have to eat before the date. Okay.